Hi, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do comparison with my friends' bags. One is from Chanel, one is from Hermes, so total 4 bags. We're gonna compare. We're gonna meet at Beverly Hills, so I came here. So let's start comparison.
Cindy from Cindy in LA. And
Hi, this is Asian Fashionista LA, and we are here collaborating, and we'll show you difference between mini, rectangular,
and like a wallet bag. So we're gonna compare two bags. One is caviar leather, the other one is lambskin. So we can talk about this quickly.
Well, I love my bag. This is the mini rectangular, and as you can see, this is the So Black. Love this hardware, and you can actually fit a lot inside. And lambskin leather, super soft, but you know it is prone to scratches. So that's the only thing that I'm afraid of. But so far, so good.
Yeah, it looks
actually
okay to me.
I've been using it, so it's actually not so bad.
Pretty much durable. Then I
Yes,
think.
yes,
Yeah.
that's what I thought. Before, I was really afraid of lambskin leather, but no, there's no need to be afraid of lambskin. It's actually really nice.
Nice. So mine is caviar leather, like a wallet, 22C cruise line season bag. So this is a little bit bigger than square mini, I believe, and it's a little bit unique style. You can see inside there's a zipper, and when I open, accordion style like this. So it fits a lot. So even though you don't close this zipper, when you put a lot of things, including like iPhone Max size, it fits, and you can just close like this. And it's very practical and also durable because it's a caviar leather. Yeah, so I like it. But this is so pretty.
Yeah, very soft,
Yeah.
luxurious feel.
Yeah, luxurious bit for sure. Lambskin is
Yeah.
always,
So
pretty.
this is the inside.
Yeah,
of the
inside is like
bag.
this. So yours are all leather inside.
All
There's
leather.
no like lining like
No.
mine.
No,
Mine
this
has a red like what is it called?
The
Red
lining.
lining, which
Yeah,
is not
mine
leather.
doesn't have.
Yeah, I think it's leather.
It's all leather.
Yeah. Oh, you also have the microchip inside.
I
This
think
side.
this one, yes.
Yeah, yeah, I
yes,
can
this
see.
one has
Yeah,
micro.
yeah. Since it's like this year, right? We both.
I think I got this few months ago.
Yeah. So maybe you can check what fits inside in
Yeah,
both bags
we
quickly.
can.
So we have a wallet. Yeah.
And I have my Deern wallet. So this is a little smaller than her Chanel wallet.
Pretty much like card holder, but it fits
Yes,
a lot.
but it fits a lot. I love
Yeah.
this. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this one you can put a bunch of cards. I put some cash here, and we have
that's
a
a lot.
coin wallet in here too.
This one is like you might already know. This size is like typical classic small size wallet, and it fits a lot as well. Like this, yeah, like 6 card slot, and there is like this side as well. Also this side.
That's like more of a traditional wallet.
Yeah, traditional wallet. It's pretty big size than I thought, even though the name is like small wallet.
Yeah.
So yeah, it fits a lot. Yeah, this one. Also, let's try this one maybe in yours.
Sure. let's
Should
try.
fit, but like since it's a little bit, like what is it?
Small. It fits.
I think it fits. Yeah. Chanel small wallet fits inside rectangle mini. And mine for sure. This one fits a lot. Let me try.
Yeah.
And it's wallet here. Yeah.
You have a lot of room.
Yeah, it is pretty much than I thought. So I was like, yeah, really putting a lot of things. So we can put
Let me
other
put this.
things as well.
Also have like a little hand sanitizer. I should just bring lipstick, my key fob, and
Sunglass. Well, it fits a
Sunglasses.
lot. Lambskin is smooth, so I think it has like more flexibility. I
yeah,
think.
so it fits.
It fits a lot, yeah. Good. And let me see mine. So if I put card holder, it's gonna fit more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but since this is like small wallet, I'm not sure how many it's gonna fit. Car key. Usually it fits like iPhone Max size fits here with card holder, but this one is since a little bit thicker than card holder. I just put.
Oh, actually, iPhone Max fits in.
Oh
here,
yeah,
too.
for sure. It's a
yes.
longer.
So if I
Yeah,
don't
so
have
so far I put like this, like a small wallet, Chanel small wallet, car key, and sunglass. Fit.
yeah, it's a little tight.
Yeah, but it
I
fits.
took the
I can make it.
sunglasses out.
Me too, actually.
Just to show you, I can put my phone.
Yeah. Basically, iPhone fits. for both bag.
Yes.
And when you put iPhone, pretty much you need to put like card holder, not the small
Right.
wallet. Yeah, like that.
So you can put it. Right?
Yeah, nice.
There you go.
So now we have very similar color Hermes bag.
Yes. So this tote bag I got in the summer. This is something new from Hermes. It's called Cellier. This is size 31. What I love about this tote is it's very easy access.
Wow.
You know what I mean? I
lot
have a
of
lot of stuff in here, but it's easy access, very simple, and it has a little pocket here.
Wow.
So you can put some stuff when you're
It
in a rush.
fits a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. And what is the leather?
This is Clemens leather.
Clemens. Okay. I believe this is also Clemens leather.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And this is
Very
Nata
good.
color. And how about your bag?
This is a Craie.
Gray
This is
color.
Craie color.
Wow, it looks almost same. I don't see
know,
any
very
difference.
Little.
So I would
very
say
little.
Clemens. The gray color. I see a little bit of more gray shade.
Gray tone.
Yeah, and this is
It has
more like yellow
little
tone.
yellow tone.
Yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
A little brighter. I'm not sure.
Yeah, a little brighter.
But almost same. I don't see a
Almost
big difference. But I like both color. I really wanted to see gray in real. It's first time. I
Oh.
see. Yeah.
I
love.
have another bag in Nata.
Oh,
so maybe I can bring it
okay.
next time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
and this
so-
one very discreet, doesn't show any Hermes, which I love. Because nowadays, you know, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, and I didn't talk about my bag. This is Picotin 18, Clemens leather, and Nata color. It fits a lot as well. This is pretty much my daily bag. Really, it fits a
Nice.
lot. I can put everything, and then I don't like to like mostly clothes, so I can put something quickly and then pick it
Just
out
easy,
easily.
yeah,
So that's why I like it. And it's
too.
not too big for me, so I can like take anywhere, grab and go
Yes.
back.
This,
Perfect.
for me, this is my grab and go bag.
Yeah, I think
Every day. It's
these
really
colors,
easy.
even during winter time, we can use,
Oh,
right?
yeah. I love it.
So that's it. So how was the comparison of these 4 bags? Hopefully you liked it. Yeah, I need to maybe put. Hopefully you liked it, the comparison of 4 bags. And that's it.
Thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you, Cindy,
Yeah.
for inviting me to do this collab.
It was
And
so much fun, and then
so
you
much
to
fun,
compare.
and we actually will do more.
yeah,
I
later.
think we have more stuff to compare.
Yeah.
So I will see you guys next time.
Bye.